talk about my drone a little bit. I took it up the other day, flew it around for about 10 or 15 minutes just in the neighborhood. And that's gonna be awesome to get it out when it's a little bit warmer. Right now it's just too cold and it's just not enjoyable. But I had to get it up and kind of mess with it. Now I need to play with the camera settings a little bit because the footage I got looked way over sharpened and honestly not the greatest. I mean, it looked fine, but it just had that kind of digital fake sharpness look. So hopefully I can turn down the sharpness a little bit and get some good footage with that. But that's been a learning process in itself. The drone world is completely different than it was just a few years ago. And that RC Controller 2 makes a massive, massive difference just in the time it takes to get your actual drone up in the air and what a pain that is. I want to talk a little bit about my creative process and what I struggle with a little bit. Like when I get a video idea or get it halfway through a project, I cannot let go of it. Like I get tunnel vision, straight up tunnel vision. I cannot proceed to the next project until this video is done. And that's why I'm out today shooting. I mean, it's freezing cold out here. I got gloves on, I got my heated vest on, my stocking hat, everything, because it is so cold. But I needed just a little bit of B-roll, I guess, to make the video more interesting. But this happens all the time to me. I get like super dialed in, like super tunnel vision. Y'all see that tree up there? It's pretty red. And I just can't go anywhere until I get it done. To be honest, I should have shot all the video, like I should have shot all the B-roll a few days ago when I was actually shooting the talking head part, but forgot and things got away from me. So all I had to do was shoot the B-roll, and I couldn't get it done for this reason or that reason. It's been super cold. So I have been stuck. And that's just how I get. And so I just want to know if any of you guys out there that create content go through that, how you handle it. Do you start another project before you finish the one you're currently working on? Because I really struggle with that. Releasing the video on the DJI Mic Mini. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I put quite a bit of work into it. Try some different stuff in my video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you drop a like make sure you check that video out. Drop a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.